the battle that could have changed the outcome of the war. Good morning, everyone. I'm sure all of you must have seen this iconic picture जिसमें कुछ इंडियन आर्मी के सोल्जर्स एक कैप्चर्ड पाकिस्तानी टैंक के ऊपर डांस कर रहे हैं. बट मेनी ए टाइम्स सेलिब्रेशंस के पीछे जो लेसन्स हैं वो छुप जाते हैं और हम उनको ग्रास्प नहीं कर पाते. डू यू नो, if there was one battle that could have changed the outcome of 1971 war militarily as well as politically, it was this battle of Longowal. उस रात 4-5 दिसंबर की रात, फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड दिसंबर में डेजर्ट्स में, had that lonely post at Longowal fallen that day and captured by Pakistanis, Pakistani armor would have swiftly moved to Ramgarh and then to Jaisalmer, handing Pakistan the bargaining chip it desperately needed at the negotiating table. After all, उनके military high command की doctrine थी, and they had openly declared that the defense of East Pakistan lies in the West. उनका plan बड़ा straightforward था. Hold out in East and grab strategically important territory in the West, and thereafter negotiate from a position of strength. But Longowal destroyed their dream. 120 Indian soldiers, infantry ke, without any anti-tank weapons, held their ground against tanks that could have erased them in minutes. और जब सुबह हुई तो handful of hunter pilots turned the dunes into a graveyard of patterns. These men deserve to be remembered for their valor, courage, year after year, because their stand was a lesson for us, a warning and a reminder. And if we ignore those lessons, we will do so at our own peril. This Battle of Longowal is known to all of us. We have read it many a times. But today I'm going to discuss only the lessons. Deserts are good for tank warfare. Vast open terrain, no obstacles, so tanks can move deep inside enemy territory. But their logistic vehicles need roads. Fuel, ammunition, repair vehicles, वो रोड पे ही चल सकते हैं क्योंकि वो टायर बेस्ड, और अगर उनको रेत पे चलाया, सैंड में चलाया तो वो फंस जाएंगे. So tanks can go anywhere deep inside enemy territory, but there they need roads for their logistics. तो enemy क्या करेगा? Defender, उसकी tactic simple, deny the road to the enemy. So tanks can go inside, but the logistics, and without logistics, the tank forces nothing. It can't do anything. So there lies the importance of Longowal, which sat next to the only tarmac road that connected Longowal to Ramgarh and Jaisalmer. And from the border, अगर देखें तो जस्ट अराउंड 15 किलोमीटर्स, और वहां से जैसल आईबी से लेके लोंगोवाल तक कोई ट्रैक नहीं. अब ये जो पूरा सेक्टर है, सादे वाला, लोंगोवाला, घोटारू, इज अ हाई डेंसिटी सैंड ड्यून एरिया. यहाँ पे सैंड ड्यून्स की जो सैंड है बड़ी सॉफ्ट है, स्टीप ग्रेडियंट्स हैं, खासकर नकल एंड पे, तो वहां से टैंक्स चढ़ना मुश्किल हो जाता है, नेगोशिएट करना. फिंगर्स स्मूथ ग्रेडियंट है, तो लार्ज टैंक साइज फोर्स इतनी हाई डेंसिटी सैंड ड्यून एरिया में मूव करना, मैन्यूवर करना डिफिकल्ट है. तो इंडिया ऑल्सो एज्यूम के इस पूरे सेक्टर में लार्ज साइज टैंक फोर्स जो है थ्रेट डेवलप नहीं हो सकता. बट वी वर रॉन्ग. Pakistani tanks did reach Longowal and in sizable strength, and had they not halted and fought the whole night at Longowal, and had they pushed straight to Ramgarh, we would have been fighting with our backs to the wall. And second rule, कि वहां एयर कवर कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई पेड़ वेड़ नहीं है, तो जो फोर्स है इट्स absolutely open from top. It should not move without the air cover. जो पाकिस्तान ने भुगता, और हम लोग भी जो प्लान कर रहे थे ऑफेंसिव, वो भी विदाउट एयर फोर्स थी. And Pakistan attempted this move to Longowal with a sizable tank force, it was a bold plan, an audacious plan, outflanking the Indian forces जो कि concentrate हो रही थी तनोट के पास for the planned offensive. And this wasn't the first time they had done this. Mind you, 1965 Cham, our own commander there insisted that it wouldn't be attacked. Pakistan proved them wrong. It captured almost 250 square kilometers of territory. 1965 again, Khemkaran, their massive armored counter-offensive nearly forced us to plan a defensive along the line of River Bias. That's a different story that General Harbaksh disobeyed the orders, but that's what it was. They surprised. And that would have risked Taran Taran, Khemkaran, General Harbaksh not disobeyed those orders. Again, the exporting radicalism in Kashmir and the start of civil war in Kashmir in 90s. It was surprise. It was an audacious idea that caught us off guard. And then started a long saga of surprises. 99, again, Kargil. Brigadier Surinder Singh probably had warned of intrusions in such a plan, but his warnings were dismissed, and it happened. We paid a price. Then Operation Gibraltar, again of 1965, when the infiltrators from Pakistan came inside and established roadblocks. The pattern is very clear. Pakistan needs to get lucky once. We need to be lucky every time. Now, both sides, based on their previous experience in 1971, both sides believe that a large-scale desert maneuver is not likely. So, to surprise, India planned an offensive in this sector from Tanot and Barmer. लेकिन हमारा जो ट्रुप कंसंट्रेशन हो रहा था, लॉजिस्टिक व्हीकल्स का मूवमेंट हो रहा था, नई गाड़ियां अलॉट हुई ट्रुप्स को, यूनिट्स को, so this gave away all our intentions to Pakistanis. And what they did, they seized that opportunity and planned a preemptive strike outflanking us. Now, once again, look at our history. We were taken by surprise in 1947 by the tribal invasion backed by Pakistan Army. In 1965, again, they surprised us by the infiltrators. Then at Cham, then the counter-attack at Khemkaran, the Kargil intrusions, the civil war in Kashmir. The 1962, we were taken by surprise by Chinese. So with very regularity, we are being taken for surprise. And this is not ancient history, this is recent history. So Longowal that way was one more reminder. Never overestimate your plan, the capabilities of your equipment, and never boast about it. Because before the attack, the Pakistani officers reportedly boasted about breakfast at Longowal, lunch at Ramgarh, dinner at Jaisalmer. Overconfidence kills it. Whether it is 1971 or today. आज भी हम लेकिन loudly claim करते हैं, we will isolate Pakistan, Pakistan is scared of Mr. Modi. Wars are not won by slogans. Pakistani tanks in such a size, huge size, at least 45-50 tanks, came right up to the post, Longowal post, and they suddenly stopped. Why? They stopped because they saw कि एक बाउड वायर, एक वायर, कांटों वाला तार, वो पोस्ट के चारों तरफ जा रहा था, and they thought कि ये माइनफील्ड है, और टैंक्स जो हैं एंटी टैंक माइन से बहुत थ्रेट फील करते हैं, क्योंकि once a mine hits and the track जो टैंक का है वो उड़ जाता है, it becomes a sitting duck for anti-tank weapons. So all the tanks stopped seeing that wire. So it was a miracle. एक ad hoc hunter squadron उसको मूव करते हैं लास्ट डेज पे टू जैसलमेर फॉर ओनली एयर डिफेंस, कोई ग्राउंड सपोर्ट के लिए नहीं, एंड इट एंड्स अप सेविंग द बैटल because Pakistanis launched their attack without air cover and a blunder that turned into a massacre. हमारा भी ऑफेंसिव जो जा रहा था, इसका मतलब जो प्लान था वो भी बगैर एयरफोर्स के था, क्योंकि एयरफोर्स का प्लानिंग ही नहीं थी यूज करने, एम्प्लॉय करने की। तो हमारा ऑफेंसिव तो लॉन्च पैड से आगे ही नहीं बढ़ा, उनका आ गया। सो दे लर्न अ लेसन द हार्डर वे, हम बच गए। एनीवे, नेपोलियन एडवांस सेड, I would rather have lucky generals than good ones. Now, so Longowal, we had both. Lucky barbed wire fence and, of course, lucky 120 men presence of Air Force. 2 MMGs, 4 Hunters, and 2 RCL guns, जो कि उनका क्रू इतने करेजियसली हेडलाइट ऑन करते हुए रात को 12 बजे they negotiated their way through the Pakistani tanks and entered the defenses, and they shot down number of tanks. Miracles will not happen again and again. As I said, Pakistan only got to be lucky once. We need to be lucky always. No war is ever won until the last battle is over. And in our case, with our kind of history and with our kind of neighbors and adversaries, it is not likely that we will ever have a last battle. Longowal is not just a story of courage. It is a warning written loud, clear, and permanent. Remember it, respect it, and learn from it. Thank you. Jai Hind.